Hi, I'm Kinika. Let me take you a quick run through on what I did with Zoho CRM or what you can do with Zoho CRM. Now, Zoho CRM has a lot of features from your sales, your activities, and your inventories. Now, under sales, we have leads, contacts, accounts, deals, and the rest of them. Now, for leads are probably prospects you've generated either from your Lemlist, your Apollo, and then you want to add them to your Zoho CRM. So this is where you add a lead to your Zoho CRM. Click on create lead, and then you want to input the information of the lead, the name of the lead, the last name, the company, the email, the number, and the rest of the information. And after inputting it, you click on save. That is for leads. And then for contacts, if you want to have a particular lead as a contact, this is where you actually create a contact, click on create contact, and then you add information of the contact, right? Then you click on save. After saving, you can actually send an email to the contact, or you want to call the contact that is left for you. And then on the account section, now the account section is for B2B, business to business info or contact. And for this contact, we have business to customer. Business to customer, this is where you put it. You put it on contact. And then for business to business info, is actually placed under the accounts. Now I have created one account here, as you can see, mass company. So all I have to do is to click on it, and then you see the informations I've imputed about this mass company. So this is it. So I can either decide to send mail to this mass company or edit their information. All right. And then if I want to create another account, this is where I click on create account, and all I have to do is to impute the company's information and save, and I'm good to go. Now for the deals is a portion whereby you have an upcoming sale, or you have made sales, whatever it is, either you have made sales or whether you intend making sales. This is where you impute everything. Now if you want to create a deal, that is where you go move over to create deal. Now let me just quickly show you what I did with this. I actually created a deal. Now this is the day I created designs closed one. So this deal was worth $17,000. So I created it and it was a closed deal. Now let's head over to my email to see. You see, I got a notification from those CRM that I just closed a deal. Big deal has been created. Good news. We've got a major deal recently. So that is to show you that my Zoho CRM is active and working. So that just takes, if you want to input a document, this is where you move to. And then other activities, you can actually schedule a meeting. If you want to schedule a meeting with a client, this is actually where you move on to. I actually created a meeting. Let me show you. So this is a meeting I created with John, and it was in office. So this meeting is meant to be in the office, and it's scheduled for this day and this time, right? So for calls, you can actually create a call and put the number you want to schedule a call, and put the number you want to call, or whatever it is you want to put there. So thank you for watching.